Hey guys, remember what I was gonna say? I'm not gonna just charge my camera and stop everything just because the camera battery dies. Welcome back to old school. This is my original Sony Vloggy. See, it's kind of tilted a little bit, but yeah. Sorry about that. So we're getting back into screwing the screws. Here they are. Screwing the screws. Like I said, make sure everything's just placed on there. And don't crush your motherboard, but just make sure they're secure. This is a 6 GB per second SATA motherboard. So, geez. I thought it was only 3 GB, but now it's 6 GB. How many of you actually want to build a computer? Or just, you know, at some point in your life become part of, you know, being a PC gamer? Or how many of you are a PC gamer? Write down your specs in the comments. Because I'd like to see what some other you guys have. Cool. Get it in there, come on. Yeah. You should allow yourself 2 to 3 hours when building a computer. I'm trying to do this in an hour and a half or 2 hours. But like I said, if I don't finish by like 9:30, I'm just gonna, you know, pack it up. There's actually 8 screws. Oh, there's plenty more. Huh. Like I said, if I don't finish by like 9:30, I'm just going to set this aside. I'm just going to continue some other day. Because I mean, for a game PC, you know, you want to take your time. Like I said, I'm not going to rush through this and say, oh, I gotta hurry up and I want to play this thing. And I know you're excited, but I don't want to damage the hardware. This thing is actually, This bastards didn't give me enough screws. Alright, well, it should be secure in there. Yeah, that thing isn't going anywhere. Alright, well, we mounted the motherboard. Try to get as many screws in there as possible, but if you don't have enough, just space them out. I have these all along the edges, but I'm missing 3. They didn't give me 3 of the correct screws. So, alright, whatever. Graphics card is next. Yep, graphics card. So now, first thing you need to do is find your PCI slot, which is the blue one right there. And you need to give yourself space. Hold on, let me take this and put it in there. See where it's gonna go. It's gonna be like that. So I need those 2. Okay. Thing's a beast. I can actually use some of these screws. Yeah, I'll just do that. I can use some of these screws to screw in the motherboard because they're the same exact screws. Huh. Workaround. But you're gonna screw, yeah, you'll see in the case they have these little vents, you know, these vent things. Those just slide off. Now let me use some of these screws right here to, you know, plug in the motherboard, make sure it's safe. Same exact screws. Huh. Alright. And... Alright, well now that's in there. Alright, now we can take the graphics card and plug this beast in. This thing's amazing. Alright, so see this? It's a PCI 2.0 slot. It just slides in, really. You'll see it has like little slots of where everything's supposed to go. Boom, it's in there. Next up, you're going to need screws, which are screws. I probably should use those screws. Those screws were actually used to mount the motherboard. I'm going to use some different screws, actually. Got all these screws here.